implicated in a bribery case
Naku
on
po.
record in a court case. Why would I answer to a member of hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit
Sige
member pa
laban,
ito ng
GP
House of
laban.
Representatives, convicted of child abuse, taking IP children doon sa amin sa Davao City, dadalhin sa Manila.
Grabe,
Diba?
grabe.
Why would I answer to
Saludo,
a
saludo.
member of the House of Representatives na merong utang
It's about time. It's about time, my friend.
sa aking husband ng 9 million dahil sa isang case? So why would I answer to them? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na ang tatay niya mismo,
Naku.
na may screen cap ako, nagsasorry sa ginagawa ng anak niya? Alam niyo, hindi pa umabot sa buhay ko na nagsorry ang tatay ko